Take you back to Mexico. That's ugly. Your kids ugly. Y'all all ugly. Go to Mexico. Go to Mexico. Pushing me around. What's wrong with you? Back the f*** up.
Today, on Uncovered, watch this complete disgrace to society have the most obnoxious and prejudiced meltdown when she gets into a car accident with a Hispanic family.
You sure? Because she about to go.
While she has the right of way, they sped up would not stop.
My car, I have 2 kids.
Okay. So what happened?
She's saying they were in the stop sign.
I find you on the street. I'm getting from the cops and knock. You're getting knocked in your nose.
Ma'am, I'm asking one more time. Step over here. Thank you.
You scary. Call your brother. Call somebody black. Come on. You should have taken back to Mexico.
One more time.
Take you back to Mexico. Go back to Mexico.
That's your car? The white car?
Yes!
Go stand by it.
The suspect is completely belligerent and shows no initial signs of cooperation. She's unable to control her emotions for the entirety of this incident and only continues to get more aggressive with the family.
Go to your car. We need your license, registration, proof of insurance. I mean, ma'am, you need your document. Well,
the suspect refuses to share any information with the officers while she is distressed, so they try speaking to her friend instead.
I can't drive that car.
Before all like she stopped at a stop sign, they just kept going. Is there any way like y'all feel like you can take a report or something like
so
that?
there's a report going to be made. It's you were in the car with her?
Yeah, I was on the passenger seat.
So I mean, if she calmed down, we can actually get this stuff rectified. But her acting like this ain't nothing gonna get fixed. I feel you. I understand that, but somebody has to do something. If you want to go in her car and get her documents for me, because the report's going to be made regardless. I need her license, registration, and proof of insurance. All that needs to be inside the crash report, right? And then we'll take a story from whoever, and whoever was driving. We'll ask these questions, but her yelling and trying to fight the people, we can't. We're only getting one side of the story. She's not even giving a side of a story.
They sped up. They sped up.
Okay.
Too far. That's what
I'm trying to figure out. You have your license.
Come on.
Your car is pretty much.
What? It's pretty much what?
I don't know if it's drivable.
I don't think so. Will you help me out and ski?
Well,
you dumb beans. I was spit on you. I'm spitting on you.
Whoa, relax. Yeah, we're gonna have to cuff her or something.
No, man, I have a crisis record. They know me already.
That's gonna be your next stop.
Get out my car! Get out of it!
ma'am, I need your registration and insurance if you want me to do this report, correct?
As the officers try to gather her license and registration, she continues to freak out and shifts the blame to her friend who was in the passenger seat.
I'm not doing shit for nobody else. Cause stupid Toddy had me rushing car and you.
Nah, can you explain what happened again? Cause I couldn't hear.
So she was driving.
She was driving on here, right?
Stopped right there, and then nobody was coming in, so nobody was coming. So she kept driving. This car just came. I don't know what it was doing. Like, just kept going and stopping up and just kept going and just kept.
I'm doing it right now.
Okay. Is there like coming?
Yeah.
Somebody's coming to pick y'all up? Okay, cool.
I'm drivable, right?
No, it's not. It's not. I don't know what to tell you. It's easily fixable. But you just can't drive her right now.
How much is it fixable?
Well, I don't know. When the record gets here, it's okay. So listen, man, go to your car. Go to your car. To the car. Do me a favor. No, stand up. Stand up. You can't sit in the middle of the street. Stand up.
I don't want to. I'm
done. Stand up. You have to stand up. You have to stand up. You don't want to sit in the middle of the street.
I don't want to.
At least sit on the sidewalk because your car is coming down the street. I don't want to have to pick you up. Okay? Can you stand up for me? Can you please stand up for me? Just stand up.
Help me out. I need help.
So then, listen. You can come over here, right, and have a seat. Just sit down. Sit down and relax. It's okay. All right? Just have a seat. You need medical attention?
He said he's gonna call an ambulance.
You do or you don't?
I think I do. I'm starting to feel it in my back.
Leave me alone.
In your back?
Don't talk to me again. I'm gonna do a favor for all y'all.
Okay.
Stupid ass Toddy got me in this predicament. You sitting up. Oh, I can't even see
yeah.
him. You.
There's something, so.
It's Toddy. Toddy can't talk to me no more. You. Don't ever talk to me again in your life.
I'm gonna get the trash out the street.
The officer cleans some of the trash off the street while they wait for a medical team to come and evaluate the victims.
Can you, ma'am, listen. Please, crisis. It's crisis. It's not that.
Your kids ugly too.
Listen.
Y'all all ugly. That ugly. Your kids ugly. Y'all all ugly.
That way.
You're ugly. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. Leave me alone.
Come on. Look, I'm not about to chase her down. I'm not chasing her, bro. It's crisis. It's crisis. It's crisis. It's crisis. It's crisis. It's crisis.
I don't need crisis.
Listen, yes you do.
I need to figure out my car.
Your car is done. Listen, go talk to my mans in the ambulance, please. Thank
I'm
you.
not going with y'all. Whatever y'all think, I'm not going with y'all. Leave me alone. Don't talk to me.
She needs medical attention. She needs medical attention. All right, cool. She's a more sensible medical attention. And that way.
Don't call me again in your life. Stop calling me.
Thank you.
They not hurt.
Ma'am.
Tell me about collision.
This way.
You Mexican?
This way. Thank you. Go over here with your friend.
Tell
Or your car.
Donald Trump, get off of me.
Go to. Tell her, your next step is going to be jail.
Leave me alone. Ugly.
I hear you.
You're ugly.
But next step is going to be jail.
You.
You got a license on you?
No, it's on my I have
She don't need her license. She don't need her license. She don't want to ask you. Mind your
She was
business.
a passenger in the. I'm trying to help. I'm truly actually
You're not
trying to
helping
help.
nothing. Get them locked up. Don't let me ugly.
Alazán, ¿cuál es el nacimiento de ella?
Agosto 7, 2020.
I can fix this shit today. Come on, I have no money for you. I make 40 police officers. That's the up.
That's good. You want to give me some money?
Yeah, I am ugly.
There you go.
Mr. Ugly, I spit on you.
Don't do that.
You're ugly. That's the thing. Go back to that girl.
Eso te va a dar respuesta más. Y caminando aquí, ¿verdad? Okay.
The suspect's mental condition only seems to get worse as more onlookers come out to spectate. Deputies come to a realization that they'll need to step in and arrest her momentarily, as she shows no sign of calming down anytime soon.
I don't want to fight with her. She's going to crisis, bro. But we're not about.
You know what? She hit somebody, bro.
Who she hit?
No, you don't know what she's gonna do. You gotta control.
Man, let her act crazy, bro. We just get told, bro.
Maybe she come in.
Oh, she's clearly out of her mind.
Go to Mexico. Go to Mexico. Go to Mexico. Go to Mexico. Look where you live at. Look where your house. I got more than you and your mom put together.
You, car.
No. How about that? I have more money than you.
You watching the orders or taking the
No, but we pulled up. It was already in the street.
515. Lock her up for the street.
Get up. Yeah, what's up? You're not flying. I have no shoe on. You're on my way. My car is still gonna be fixed.
Calm down.
Ugly ass, open the door.
Okay.
Can't leave back here.
Who can't?
Open the window. What's wrong with you?
Look at the keys.
All ugly. Ugly, thank you. I remember facing. I remember you. I remember you ugly. The kid's ugly, and you're ugly. Die. Go back to Mexico.
For Northeast, eligible.
You want to get a face for me? Yeah! You ugly! Yeah! I'm gonna f*** you up!
262 dispatch from code 4, you release the air.
Now! Hey! Take me there now! Good, I need my money. Nobody here make more money than me. Nobody in this car make more money than me.
305.
Nobody in this jail make more money than me.
Yes, sir.
Step out. Step out. Man.
I'm not the one. I'm not the one for real. Tell me that.
Thank you.
This way.
Thank
We'll
you.
be going by tomorrow. We'll be going by tomorrow.
Excuse me, step away from the car.
Why you put here, man?
Thank you.
Idiot.
Thank you.
My slide is broke.
That's fine. Alright, well, we'll take it with us.
I gotta walk on no shoe. We'll be going by tomorrow.
That's cool.
And I'm with the car. Thank you for that. You'll be going. What's your name? You'll be going. Officer what?
Officer Yeldell, badge number 6545.
I already know your first and last name. That's all I need to know.
Yeldell is my last name.
You wanna be bold? Let me know where you live at. So
Yeldell
it's quick.
is my name.
Let me know where you live at. So make it quick. You'll be going by tomorrow. Wait the party. You ain't gonna come.
This way.
Dirty ass, no shit.
That's cool.
Ain't no cool. You'll be gone.
Have a seat.
All y'all. Stop pushing me around. What's wrong with you? Back the f*** up. What? But you can't.
Stand in the
Bye.
Stand in the box.
Stand in the box. Stand up.
Get off of me.
Stand in the box.
I bet you I'll be out of here. No charge.
That's not gonna happen. Spin
It's
around.
gonna happen.
Spin around for me.
It's gonna happen. I bet you. And if not, there's something else that I got caught up for.
What's
No
up?
Let
word.
me get these keys. I'm going in the box.
The keys?
Yeah, I'm about to put it away. You
I
good?
can't hear it.
I said I'm putting it right. Not dealing with this, man.
All the way up from here.
No, I got. What's your name?
Tamia Lakeisha Jones.
No racial slurs.
Shut up.
Spell
That's
your
good enough for
middle.
you?
Spell your middle name.
I don't know my name. I literally don't.
I'm not surprised. What's your last name?
Jones.
Jones.
I
J.
don't like my
Jones.
mom.
The suspect was arrested for disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and aggravated menacing with racial bias. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more never-before-seen arrest footage daily.